Friday, just in at 5, continuing coverage in the Patrick Frazee murder trial. The state and the defense rest their case this afternoon. Frazee choosing to remain silent. In fact, not a single witness called by the defense.
The jury was dismissed for the weekend with closing arguments set for Monday. News 5's Sam Kramer, he's been in the courtroom every step of the way. He's live outside the Teller County Courthouse with more bombshell testimony today, Sam.
Yeah, well, guys, an inmate that was housed in the same area of the Teller County Jail says Patrick Frazee asked him to take out key witnesses part of this case, like Crystal Kenney, Joseph Moore, and CBI agent Greg Slater. And we are choosing not to reveal the name of this witness at the request of the DA's office due to safety concerns. But we know this witness just came forward this week with handwritten notes he says were given to him by Patrick Frazee in jail. The notes were read aloud. They show Frazee gave names, phone numbers, even addresses, saying these witnesses need to disappear by November 22nd. That's the original closing date of this trial. Another talks about him wanting to put a bullet in Crystal Kenney's head. The defense quickly attacking this inmate's credibility, saying he only came forward in search of a plea deal on other charges, that he actually wanted to sell these notes, capitalizing on Frazee's popularity. And additionally, Jonathan Priest, a bloodstain pattern expert, testified the story Kenney told police about what happened is consistent with the photo evidence from Barrett's townhome, and that the small drops of blood spatter found by police are actually signs of heavy force on a blood source. Priest says he also thought the blood found inside the floorboards was more significant because it shows there was likely a pool of blood on the floor. So we were expecting closing arguments still today. They have been pushed to Monday as both sides rested their case today. Again, the state ending with some very explosive testimony.
Wow, Sam, and when the jury gets this case on Monday, they are going to have some options when it comes to the charges.
Yeah, so the last thing that happened today was both sides hammered out the jury instructions. And as part of that, the judge decided to allow the jury, if they find Patrick Frazee not guilty of first-degree murder, they have the option to charge him with second-degree murder and manslaughter. Second-degree murder carries a sentence between 8 and 24 years, manslaughter 2 to 6, versus a first-degree murder charge that carries a mandatory life sentence. So stark contrast in the sentencing there. Again, they have the option to do so if they find him not guilty of first-degree murder.